Okay, now I got the other piece shoved back in here. You can see that this sticks out a little bit. First I was going to cut this off, but I think what I want to try to do, which is starting to work here, I'm going to try to bend it over like that so it kind of rolls over. You know, the front of the bed comes up and rolls over like it normally would. Then I can go up through here and tack, and it should be fine. Let's try that, see what we can do. That didn't turn out too bad. Yeah. Because when you look at it from this angle, yeah, that's a lot better than what I was expecting it to turn out. So I am very happy with that. Okay. Now I've got some welds to do. One up through here doing some welds. Welding everything in solid. And then that will have that piece on there. It's all right. Okay, now if it'll just still open. So, I'll weld all this up. Okay. Well, that's got front of it all welded on. This is the seam on the inside, of course. They're welded together, of course. Yeah. Well, I've got a bedside on there now. And this, where this comes together right here, I'm going to have to cut out around. I'll probably take that chrome and lay it in there. I may just have the chrome go with, I don't know, we'll have the chrome go with the bedside, or if I'm going to have it stay here and have the taillights and everything stay here. I think I'm just going to leave the taillights here and have the chrome stay with them, and this will just kind of match back up with the chrome when you shut it, I think. So, okay. Well, we've got a partially enclosed toolbox. We don't have an inside wall yet, but we will. And there we go. Okay, one little problem that I'm going to have on this bedside is the floppiness, because see how that flops? See, it moves like that independently of that part. So what I need is I need to make this all solid. And ordinarily what you do to make these parts solid is you will run a rod from here over to there, and it holds it. Well, we're not going to be able to do that because this is going to lift up, so I can't run a rod over there. So this has just got to be structurally sound. It's got to sit right there and not flop down the road, flop back and forth while I'm driving down the road, which is what it'll do. It'll do just like that. So, how are we going to make this wheel arch one solid piece with a framework? What I have is a piece of conduit. Just imagine me using conduit. Nah, that'd never happen. I usually use it for just about everything. Okay, let's see if we can get that bent around so it will run. It'd be preferable to run all the way down there, up, around, and then back down to there. If we can do that. Okay, here's the pipe that I put in. Let's go through and weld up some more. I just got it tacked in there right now so that it'll hold until I go through and tack. I was just taking that this thing, this vice grip clamp, and I would clamp onto it and weld right beside of the clamp, and kept doing that so it got tight against the bedside, and that should help to hold it pretty steady. Now what I would also like to do is I'd like to extend on out. The main thing is this steadies the fenders that usually flop whenever you're driving, so that's the main thing I wanted. Now I could weld on and just go straight back here like that, and I think that's probably all I'll do with that. I am going to run a bar all the way across from right here all the way across to here before it would hit this, and that will be where I'll mount my latch so that it can have a place to contact down here. But anyway, I guess that's going to be about it. Okay, now it's not nearly as bad. You move it, you move the whole door. It's a lot more sturdy. So that'll keep my fenders from flapping. At least a little bit anyway. And looks like they are still straight, so that's all I was really worried about, keeping them straight and keeping them from flopping around like that. So I think we're pretty good on that. Alrighty.